Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check blacklist on Pinterest, and here's how it is done. To use Pinterest, open the app on your iPhone, Android or computer. If you want to block a specific account, tap on any post from that account. Go to their profile and then tap the three dots. Select block and confirm by tapping block again. This will prevent them from sending you messages, viewing your pins, or interacting with you. Pinterest does not offer a dedicated blacklist feature where you can view all the accounts you have blocked in one place. However, you can manage block accounts through the following steps. To manage block accounts, tap Save at the bottom right, then your profile icon, and go to the gear icon at the top right. From there, select Social Permissions and Activity, and then Message Settings. At the bottom, you'll find a section for block accounts, which lists people or businesses you have blocked. To unblock someone, you need to visit their profile again. Tap the three dots and choose Unblock. If you forget the username or profile of someone you block, there is no way to access a complete list of blocked accounts to manage them. And that is everything you need to know about how to check block lists on Pinterest. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.